Hello, friends. Mr. Ryther here. Have you ever had a conflict with someone? A conflict is a problem. Well, today's song is about conflicts and how to resolve them in the best way. And joining me on today's song on strings are Aiden Lewis, Ondine Young, and Bill Skeen. And joining me to sing today's song are Talia Young Skeen and Liam Young Skeen. Are you ready to sing today? What's wrong? You two look like you're about to have a conflict right before we sing a song about conflicts.
It's Liam's fault. He refuses to talk to me. He's been ignoring me for weeks.
My fault? You're the one who's always saying things that hurt my feelings, like when you said music isn't really your thing, is it?
Whoa. All right. The two of you, I want you to take a deep breath. Now let it out. If you really want to resolve your conflict, use your I felt statements.
Our I felt statements?
Yes,
I felt statements?
I felt statements. If you're always saying, you did this to me or you did that to me, that makes the person feel attacked and puts them on the defensive and they stop listening to you. But if you say, I felt angry when you, or I felt sad when you, the person is much more open to hearing what you have to say. And you'll more successfully resolve your conflict. So are you two willing to resolve your conflict using your I felt statements?
We could try.
We could try.
Oh, wait. I'm getting word that we need to start the song right now. Can you sing your I felt statements?
Sing our I felt statements.
Sing our I felt statements?
I felt angry when you doubted my dreams. You said music wasn't really my thing. I felt angry when I felt angry when I'm
so sorry that I doubted your dreams. I'm so sorry that I said something mean. I'm so sorry I did. Can you ever forgive? Start with I felt statements and then fill in the blanks. To communication, let us all give thanks. I felt sad when you stopped talking to me. Without you there, I felt so lonely. I felt sad when I felt lonely when I'm so sorry I stopped talking to you. I'm so sorry I made you feel so blue. I'm so sorry I did. Can you ever forgive? Start with I felt statements and then fill in the blanks. To communication, let us all give thanks. I forgive you 'cause you shared from your heart. And I forgive you so we get a fresh start.
Start with I felt statements and then fill in the blanks. To communication, let us all give thanks.
Thank you, Talia and Liam, for using your I felt statements to resolve your conflict. Do you feel like it made a difference?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
it did.
And thank you, Talia, Liam, Ondine, Bill, and Aiden for helping me on today's song. Remember, if you have a conflict, try using your I felt statements to resolve it.